Every flight begins with complex safety checks and precision systems. Mechanical faults can escalate rapidly if not contained. Severe weather remains one of aviation's major operational risks. Communication errors can create dangerous timing conflicts. Multiple factors can combine to create critical moments. When systems fail, emergency procedures aim to save lives.
Hook secure, ready for lift.
Recovery teams begin the long process of reconstruction. Structural engineering restores strength piece by piece. Thousands of components are replaced and recalibrated. Through engineering precision, flight is safely reborn.